We'll guide you through how to use Google Image Reverse Search on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So we're going to guide you through using the Google Reverse Image Search on the mobile app. This feature is so convenient and useful. So what you can go and do is go and put an image into it, and Google will then go and reverse search it. It will go out and find different matches, and it's going to go and explain what it is and give you loads of different information with the AI system. So it's got different things we can do with it, and we're going to guide you through this step by step. So first of all, make sure you've got the app. So you can go and open up the store on your phone, whether that is the App Store or the Play Store, it doesn't matter. You want to go and head to the bottom to where the search is. On the iPhone, it's in the bottom right, and you can press search at the bottom and go and type in Google, as we're doing this with the Google app. So what you can do is go and get the Google app. As you can see, I already have it. What you can then do is go and open it up like this. So now what you need to do is you need to come to the home page on the Google app. That's the home button in the bottom left. Now you need to come to the search bar. What you want to do is you want to go over to the right, and we're going to use something called Google Lens. This is what allows us to go and reverse search. So you can go and tap on it like so. Then we can press allow. So it's going to go and open up your camera, which you can search with, but press continue at the bottom. What you want to do is go and open up your gallery, which is going to be in the bottom left. So you can go and tap on that photo gallery icon like this. You need to go and allow access. Now you can go and easily go and see your screenshots here, which is convenient. As often I take a screenshot, I want to go and reverse search, or you can go and see all images. We can go and tap on this here. So this is the GuideRealm icon. Let's go and see what it can go and find about it. So if we go and look in the AI overview, it can go and see the logo, which features the letters GR with an arrow-like shape, is associated with a few entities. It's found GuideRealm. That's really cool. You can see this is the YouTube channel that provides technology-based how-to guides and tips. Now, to reverse search, you may want to go and find exact matches. So you can find that at the top there, and you can go and see different things that have gone and used the icon. You can see my TikTok and my Social Blade. You can also go and look at products at the top. This doesn't apply that much, and you can keep scrolling along and we can see visual matches. We'll go and find more matches, and you can go and find about this image as well. So I can go and tap there, and it may go and explain about the image. But to be honest, I've gone and found that with the AI. So that's it. The reverse image search is a really cool feature, and as you can see at the top here, there's different uses. Perhaps you want to go and find an explanation for it or products. For example, you may go and take a picture of something you want to buy, and then you can go and click products with it, of course, being scanned, and you can then go and find similar products and go and purchase it yourself. What you can also do is go and adjust it as well to go and select different parts of it, as it may not have selected the right part. Or you may only want to select a certain part of an image as well. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.